Factor of 405. So 405, it can be written as 3 times 135. 3 times 135 means 405. Now 135, it can be written as 3 times 45. 3 times 45 means 135. 45, it can be written as 3 times 15. 3 times 15 means 45. Like as 15, it can be written as 3 times 5. 3 times 5 means 15. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 3, 3, 3, 3 and at last 5. So we can write 405 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times this 3 times this 3 times this 3 and at last this 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.